As the most popular rifle platform today, the AR's reputation is well-deserved. And with AR optics by Bushnell, every shot is precision-guided. Any target, any scenario, 400 yards to 4. Technologically advanced and versatile optics for the most popular firearm on the planet. AR optics by Bushnell.
So this scope got sent in by a customer. As you can see, it's been through a little bit of abuse.
So our warranty here at Burris is a forever warranty.
The Burris Forever Warranty says that we'll take care of your product no matter what.
This was one of our top quality scopes back in the day.
It's always exciting whenever we get a box in that's nostalgic. You know, it's 20, 30 years old, and that's what we're all about. You know, that scope has been used for those number of years, and even though that one may have a problem, there's a sense of pride that it's worked that well for that long.
So our number one goal is customer satisfaction, and if we can't fix it, we will replace it. No questions asked.
Customer actually sent this in. It was in a safe fire. Every seal and every lens in this has been separated or burnt. This is the kind of thing that we see on a weekly basis.
The culture here at Burris is like a family. We work very hard. We have some very tight values that we try to maintain between one another. Not only do we work here as employees, we're also customers.
Happy customers, that is our goal.
No questions asked.